Hi, I'm Tori, the creator of Treasure. 3 years ago, I put together Treasure so that I could bring to you quality, unique crystals and handmade crystal jewellery. Each week, I'll be bringing to you items I have on sale and explaining to you the properties and how crystals can help you in day-to-day life. I really hope you'll come along and enjoy the journey. Hi guys, welcome to this week's sales from Treasure. I've got some great pieces to show you this week. We'll get straight into it, and I'll start with this beautiful white calcite sphere. White calcite is a very cleansing stone. It's really good for using in a room if there's bad energy. It will cleanse the energy around you. It's also quite a useful amplifier. So it amplifies growth, accelerates growth, and it's a great stone for developing your psychic eye, your psychic abilities. And this sphere today is a nice large size. It's going to be reduced down from £30, and he can be yours today for £25. See the beautiful inclusions in there. A stunning crystal. Now this guy has been sitting on this stand, which is also going into the sale today. As you can see, it is a witch's cap with a cloak on. It's bearing the pentagram. I believe it's made of resin. It holds a medium to large size sphere. And he is going to be reduced from £20 down to £15. Next up, I have for you the man himself, Darth Vader. This Darth Vader is in opalite, which is a man-made stone. Opalite is still thought to hold properties which include overcoming tiredness, really good mood balancer, also thought to help with the accumulation of money, never a bad thing, and generally really pretty with its different hues of blues, yellows, greens and pinks. Now this guy was originally £20, and today he can be yours for £15. It's got great detail. And he's quite a cute little chap. £15 if you'd like to claim. Next we have another sphere, and this one is also quite a large size. This is the beautiful Kambaba sphere. Kambaba is a jasper. This is very commonly used in meditation. It is known for its properties of peace and tranquility. It reminds us of the gift of life and connects us to nature, a very grounding, earthing stone. Also associated with fertility. It's gorgeous black swirls with the sage green base. And this sphere was originally £26, and today it can be yours for the bargain price of £20. Fantabulous selenite aura coated elephant, or heffalump as I like to say. This coating is obviously a man-made coating, but selenite is a genuine crystal. Selenite is known predominantly as a cleanser. It's great to cleanse your other crystals. You literally have to place a piece of selenite next to the crystal you would like to cleanse, and bingo, it does the job nicely. It's also known to be a stone for truth and honesty. And this little cute elephant with his pink front and his green back today is coming to you at the bargain price of just £10. And look at the beautiful colours. changes as you move him around. And his trunk's up as well, which symbolises good luck. It's very often thought that if you have an elephant with his trunk down, it's a sign of bad luck, and therefore with it up, it's good luck. So £10 if you would like this. Last but not least is this really gorgeous green jade parrot. It's got the nice banding around his middle. And green jade is a very lucky stone. This piece is unpolished. You can see the carving, nice and detailed. Parrots in the spiritual sense are known to symbolise long life, a good longevity and freedom. And green jade also is thought to bring general well-being and is thought to be very balancing when it comes to the physical state. So all in all, this stone with its carving is a really good stone if you're looking to feel a bit better about yourself, really. And this guy is also down from £15 to £10 today. And I think that's an absolute steal. So there we have it, folks. That's our sale rail from Treasure today. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Please comment, like, share, message me on Instagram, Facebook, or just down below. And I hope you have a lovely week, and I'll see you soon.